If you're still not sure how the Wrumer works, let me explain. Step number 1 is to plug in the Wrumer into the OBD port, which is usually located somewhere under your steering wheel. Like most cars, my Volkswagen from 2009 has the OBD port hidden down here. Check it out. Done. That's it. And if you really can't find your car's OBD port, just Google your car's model and year and add OBD port location, and Google will tell you where it is. Step number 2 is to download the Wrumer app. Once you've downloaded the app, make sure that your car's ignition is on and that you have the Bluetooth also enabled. Now you can click connect to the OBD reader, which is a Wrumer. And now the Wrumer is sending the car's information like the RPM to the app, and as you can see here, you can play the sound through the speakers of the phone. So all we have to do now is make this sound louder, and we'll do that by connecting the phone to the car's radio, just like you would if you were listening to the music. So plug in the audio jack into your aux port on your car and plug in the other end of the cable into your phone. And that's it. Now the Wrumer works as it's supposed to, and you are ready to prank your friends. And if your car doesn't have an aux port, you can still use Bluetooth, but it may have some delay, and in that case, you can always use a portable speaker. If you want one, get yours in the link below now.